In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Amazon affiliate. If you're looking for ways to monetize your content and earn commissions on products, joining the Amazon Associates program could be a perfect fit. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of signing up and getting started with the program, all from the comfort of your home. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to the Amazon Associates website. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in with your existing Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's easy to create a new account. Simply follow the instructions to set up your login, providing the necessary personal information. Amazon requires this to streamline the affiliate account setup and manage any payments you earn through the program. Once you've signed in, you'll encounter the application form. This is where you provide Amazon with details about your online presence. They need to know where you're planning to place affiliate links, whether it's on a website, an app, or a YouTube channel. Make sure to input all relevant details honestly and accurately. Amazon uses this information to assess if your platform aligns with their requirements. Additionally, they'll ask about your traffic driving tactics, such as SEO strategies, social media promotions, or email marketing. This helps them understand how you intend to bring audiences to their site through your content. With the application filled out, your next task is to set up your profile and decide on your payment preferences. Amazon gives you several options for receiving your affiliate earnings, including direct bank deposit, Amazon gift cards, or checks. Be sure to double-check your payment method details for accuracy, as this is crucial for getting your commission smoothly. Finally, once everything is completed, hit the Submit button. Amazon generally takes a couple of days to review your application, and they may reach out with any additional questions if needed. While waiting, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Associates Central Dashboard. This will become your hub for tracking clicks, managing links, and monitoring your earnings. And there you have it. You're on your way to becoming an Amazon affiliate. Remember, success as an affiliate relies on building genuine connections with your audience and recommending products that truly add value to their lives. As you grow in this space, cultivating authenticity and trust will not only enhance your audience's experience, but also boost your earnings over time. Thanks for watching and happy affiliating.